Good morning, friend. Welcome to my channel Study with Arnav. Friends, today's topic is trigonometrical ratios, and friend, I will explain some more questions of trigonometrical ratios. First exercise, friend, if the question will given that if cos a equals to 5 by 13, then evaluate sin a minus cot a by 2 tan a. So, friend, how we will evaluate this? First, friend, we will see that what is given. So here cot A is given. What is cot A? Value of cot A is B by H. So cos A. Cos A is B by H. So friend, here equals to B by H. H is 13 and B is 5. So friend, first we will take constant as a K. K as a constant term. Suppose friend, the ratio is given 1 by 2. So we will not say that a by b, suppose the ratio is given a by b equals to 1 by 2. The ratio of a and b is 1 by 2. So we will not say that a equals to 1 and b equals to 2. It can be 50 by 100 also. So it will cut one time, it will two time, then also it can come 1 by 2. If we will take 100 by 200, then also it will come 1 by 2. So friend, there are so many of number which can be by after splitting it can become 1 by 2. So friend, we take 30 k as a constant term. So here k is a constant. Now friend, we know AB and AC, BC is not known. The value of BC is not given. So what we will do, friend, this is right angle triangle. We will use Pythagoras formula to find BC. So what is Pythagoras formula? AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. It means hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here friend, perpendicular for angle A, here cos A is given. We will consider angle A. If it will given cos B, we will consider angle B. So friend, for angle A, perpendicular is BC, we have written BC square, and base is adjacent side AC, so we have written AC square, and AB is hypotenuse. So we will put the value and we will then simplify it. So AB square is 13 square and BC we will write it as, and plus AC equals to 5 whole square. Then 13 square is 169 equals to BC square plus 25, because 5 square is 25. This implies 169 minus 25 equals to BC square. We will take 25 in LHS side of the equals to sign. Then it will become 144 equals to BC square. Then we will do BC equals to root under. Square will remove from BC and root under will come here. So it will become 144 root under 144 equals to 12. So friend, we will put 12, BC equals to 12k. Now friend, we have to find evaluate sin A minus cot A by 2 tan A. So we will find sin A, cot A and tan A, then our work will be completed. So friend, first we will take sin A. Sin A equals to P by H. So we will consider this angle. For this angle, perpendicular is BC. So BC, the value of BC is 12k and hypotenuse is AB. So the value of AB is 13k. So kk will be reduced, equals to 12 by 13 is the value of sin A. And friend, now cot A. What is the value of cot A? Cot A is equals to B by P. So friend, B by P. Here for angle A, base is adjacent side AB. So value of AB is 5k and P is BC. So value of BC is 12k. Kk reduced, it will become 5 by 12. And friend, tan A equals to P by B. So friend, what is angle P? P is BC, so we will put the value of BC, and B is 5k, so we will put the value of AC, then kk reduced 12 by 5. Now friend, we find the values of sin A, cot A and tan A. Now friend, we will evaluate this given equation. So friend, given equation. Now friend, we will put what is the given equation, sin A minus cot A by 2 tan A. Now friend, we will put the value of sin A. What is the value of sin A? 12 by 13. First we will put divide and straight line Then we will put the value of sine A, 12 by 13 minus cot A value is 5 by 12, so we will put minus 5 by 12. Then we will in tan A we will put the value of tan A is 12 by 5, and here it is given 2 tan A, so we will multiply tan A value with by 2. Now friend, we will take LCM in upper of the divide sign. So the LCM is 156, and after taking LCM we got this. And friend, 13 12s are 156. So friend, we will multiply 12 into 12, it will become 144, and from 12 13s are 156. So friend, we will multiply 13 with 5, so it will become 65. So friend, we will now downwards 24 by 5. Now friend, after simplifying upwards by the divide sign, and we will reciprocal it, we will do reciprocal like this. And now friend, we will multiply each other because nothing is reducible here. So after multiplying each other, 76 into 5 is 395, and 156 into 24 is 3744. So this is the answer. So this is how we evaluate if one trigonometrical ratio is given, friend. So friend, in next video I will explain you second exercise and some questions of it. So thank you friend for watching my video. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe.